Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys using the new Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Once a month on our channel, we're going to be doing a huge giveaway. So if you want to win for the month of June, make sure you turn your post notifications on and like this video and then comment done in the comment section below and you might win our June giveaway. So the first thing that I did is I grabbed my Nars Creamy Concealer and I just put that all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out and some translucent powder to set everything in place, and that's just going to make blending eyeshadows a lot more easy. First I'm going into the shade Cake Face, which is this white matte eyeshadow, and I put that all over my brow bone. Next I went into the shade Campy, which is this beautiful yellow color, and I just grabbed a fluffy brush and just put that in my crease as my transition shade. I was honestly really blown away with how pigmented the eyeshadows in this palette were. I didn't have to go back in and add more and more because I just got enough pigment the very first time going into each shadow. So I was really impressed with that. Next I went in with the shade Kylie, which is this beautiful pink shade, and I grabbed a defined angled brush and I started to draw a line above my actual crease. And this is just going to help for those of you that take the colors up too high in the crease. This is a really great trick. And then I went back into Campy with a fluffy brush and went over that line to make sure everything's nice and blended. Next I went into the shade Snatched, and this has to be my favorite shade in the whole palette. I went back in with that same defined angled brush and I just drew a line right over that pink line that we drew previously, and by repeating the steps over and over, it's really going to help get the most blended look by layering the eyeshadow slowly. And I went back in with Campy and Kylie and a fluffy brush to really blend everything out. And then I went back in with my Nars Concealer and I cleaned up all over my lid. Some of you guys comment down below every time I do this saying, will it make a difference if I don't do it? And I feel like it does. It makes the eyeshadows appear a lot more vibrant when you apply a concealer first on the lid. And then I went back in with the shade Campy and I put that all over my lid, and as you can see it's just a beautiful matte yellow shade. And then I went back in with Kylie and I only applied this shadow on the outer lid and I buffed it inward. And I just did really light tapping motions because this eyeshadow is super pigmented. I still wanted it to be nice and blended. And then I went back into the eyeshadow Snatched and I just put that on the very outer part of my eyelid, kind of feathering it on top of Kylie. And then I went in with my Smashbox Always On liquid liner and I just drew a straight line on my lid. I did like a very tiny wing, but once I took the tape off it was like hardly noticeable. The lashes that I went in with are Sofie Bella Bali lashes. The link will always be in the description box if you guys want to check out our lashes and support our lash brand. And then I took my LA Girl black pencil in my waterline. And then I went back into the shade Campy and a smaller fluffy brush and I just put that all over my lower lash line. And then I went back into that pink shade and the defined angled brush and I just focused this on the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I went back in with that shade Snatched and I put that on my outer lower lash line as well. And I just went in back and forth motions, buffing everything together, and then I went back in with that shade Campy just to make sure there are no harsh edges. And lastly, I just went in with my L'Oreal mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to support our channel, and don't forget to subscribe as well. And like I said before, if you guys want to enter in our June giveaway, make sure you turn your post notifications on, like this video, and then comment done, and you will automatically be entered Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.